Hi, my name is David, and I'm doing the Cars.com proposal. Um, and here we go. So, just a system overview. The Cars.com app is an app that allows you to look for cars near your area and purchase them. Currently, it'll search by nearby dealerships, and you put in the make, model, price, and your location, and it'll give you a list of cars that are near your area that are of your description and that fit your pricing and everything, and it'll give you a bunch of those. So it's a good app if you want to use it to get a car. If you know what you're looking for, then it's great. But the problem I find with this is that some users you have to know the make and model, and some users don't know the make and model. Some users are just know they want to look for a car, just know they want a new car, and they aren't sure what to look for, and it makes it harder on those users who are uncertain of what cars to buy, of what specific cars to buy, and it means that you have to be very specific when inquiring about what car you want to buy. The solution I want to implement here is a better user interface, and by that I mean having pre-made categories for the users to select. So the users can have can be like, all right, so I need to find a new car, and I want a new car, and I want a fast car, I want a fast coupe, I want a sporty car, but I don't want it to be too much under 10,000. Boom, we have a subcategory right there, fast coupes under 10,000. Click on that, it'll give you a list of all the fast coupes near your area by nearby dealerships, and all you have to do is look for the category, click it, and it'll provide you with that list. Same thing, we can have other categories: pickups under 15,000, sedans under 15,000, family vehicles under 10,000, motorcycles under 10,000, things like that. I think it would make it a lot easier for users who aren't very sure of what they want to buy. This is a great investment because of the market size. The automotive industry in the United States is the second largest in the world, and we spend $18 billion on the auto industry every year, and that just means more foot traffic through our application to find better cars. For the team, I want Tony Zola. He's the Chief Product Officer from Cars.com. He's a great addition. He already knows the app. He knows what he wants to put out there. He wants to make this product the best, and he wants to just make it easier for the users to use. It's very important to him. In terms of the design and who's going to implement it would be Jay Firestone. He's a product designer and UX product strategy manager from Facebook. I think Facebook has a really great design. Facebook is obviously always changing for the users to make it easier for them to use, and I think having Jay Firestone would just help us out in that area, help us out, make the product look smoother and look better. So for the cost, Tony Zoll is going to be the product manager and part-time designer. He's going to get paid about $72 for a 40-hour work week. It would be about $28,000, $29,000. Jay Firestone's going to be the user interface designer and the coder. He'll get paid about $43, and he's going to end up with $17,000 for a 40-hour work week. And tally those up, it'll be about $46,000 for the whole thing. I think it's a nice way to. It's a good cost for what we want to implement. So for the schedule, week 1 would be strictly planning, talking about how we will implement the details of the subcategories, talking about what subcategories we want, and then as we move forward, we'll go to week 2, which would be modeling. We'll create a model and a storyboard of what subcategories should be in place, mark it all up, design it, see what we want and how we want to implement it. Then weeks 3 and 4 would be construction, implementing the code, putting it in there, and then week 5 would be testing it, seeing if everything works, seeing if the subcategories give us the selections we want. Then week 6 would be customer response, putting it out to the public saying, hey, what do you guys think about this? They give us feedback back like, oh, this is good, but I don't really like this is kind of clunky, this really isn't. And then week 7 to 8, implement changes. So we get the feedback and we say, okay, this works, this doesn't work, let's change this. And then week 9 and 10, we test all of our changes we made, and then we should be good to go. So just as a summary, these adding subcategories will make it simpler for users to use and make it easier, make it faster. Users who are not sure what to do, what cars they want, They have subcategories to look through. Pick one, boom, you have the cars you want. And also we will still leave in the make and model for people who know exactly what they want. This would increase revenue for the company because as more people use the app, we'll have more revenue coming in, and it'll increase the users because when one user finds this app so easy, so simple to use, so streamlined, they'll be able to advertise it to other people saying, hey, look, I know you're looking for a car, try this app. It has subcategories already ready for you to use. And that's basically what I propose to do for Cars.com, and I think it would make it just a better app. Thank you.